Chicken wings. Hello everybody. I am Francis Gabriel A. Villanueva. I'm going to show you my favorite book that is named Boohoo Bird. Boohoo Bird by Jeremy Tankard. Bird and Raccoon were enjoying a game of catch when Bird got bonked on the head. Ouch, moaned the bird. That hurt a lot. He started to cry. Oh no, said Raccoon. I wounded Bird. Here, I'll kiss it better. Raccoon kissed the bird bonk. Bird keep crying. It still hurts. I'm sorry, said Raccoon. Let's see if Rabbit can help. Raccoon told Rabbit what happened. Poor bird, said Rabbit. With a hug help, Rabbit gave Bird a hug. Bird cried some more. It's not helping. Let's go find beavers. Here, said Rabbit. He'll know what to do. What you need is a cookie, said Beaver. You can fix any problem with a cookie. Beaver gave a cookie. Bird cried louder. I think I'm getting dizzy. Let's ask Sheep what to do, said Beaver. She's full of ideas. Beaver showed Bird Boo Boo to Sheep. How about a game of hide and seek? Which is the sheep. The animal run and hide. You want me to hide? Wailed the bird. I can hardly walk. Surely Fox can make you feel better, said the sheep. He's clever. Bird got bonked on the head. He was quite upset. What you need is a band-aid, said Fox. He disappeared into his den and came back. Band-aid always make my boo-boos feel better. Fox put a band-aid on Bird's head. The band-aid isn't working. Boo-hoo-hoo, cried Bird. Boo-hoo-hoo, cried Bird's friends together. Nothing is making Bird feel better. Bird looked at his friends. He felt his bump. It didn't really hurt anymore. I think I'm okay now, he said, but his friends wouldn't hear him. I said, I'm all better now, shouted Bird. See, Bird stood on his head. You're so silly, Bird, said the animals. They laughed and stood on their heads too. Come on, and said the bird, let's play catch. Bunk! The end. Bluebird. Did you like my story? It's all about friendship, and it also helps you to make your bluebirds feel better. Bye!